Dear students, hope you are well. In this very third week uh, for class 9, there was assignment given on general science, general mathematics, which is for all of science, arts, and commerce background. And there was also given another assignment on higher math that is only for science students. So in this very assignment for general mathematics, there is a problem given which is very easy, that seems to us. So now we have to follow through and find the solution of the answers. Due to the COVID pandemic situation, everything is closed for getting prepared for the next physical exams, and as well as taking preparation for your upcoming board exams. You need to prepare these assignments, and from the copy which is supplied from board, that is actually published in Bengali, so you are seeing the question here in Bengali, but when we will solve the math and give instructions, those will be in totally English. So you can share this video with your friends from English version as well as Bangla version, because we will also make video of Bangla version. And for getting more assignments related information, you can subscribe our channel, because we are regularly uploading different assignments topics and on both Bangla version and English version, and we are trying to cover from every background like science, arts, and commerce. So you can subscribe our channel, or you can give a thumbs up if you find our video helpful. You can also share with your friends, and even press the bell icon in the notification bar so that you can get notification as soon as we post a new video. Alright, so now let's proceed. In the very first question, that there is given that a is equals to x squared minus twice x plus 1, and it is said that if a is equals to 0, find the value of x. Alright, so if we start creating solution, that is very simple, and just like many other maths, we'll just written the given equation a and then solve the equation. So you see, finally we get x minus 1 whole square is equals to 0. Then we have to write x minus 1 is equals to 0 either, or again x minus 1 is equals to 0. If from both sides we are seeing that we are getting x is equals to 1, so we can say that finally there is only one value of x, and that is 1. Alright, so here a question will arise in your mind that why we are giving solution in the bottom when we know the answer will be ultimately 1. Here you see x minus 1 whole square is equals to 0, that is a binomial equation. So theoretically there should be always two values, or two values can be taken out from these equations. For that we are showing the both side, and you should do it also for getting proper marks. Alright, now let's proceed to the next question. The next question is c is equals to x squared plus 10x plus 16, and we have to prove that whether c can be expressed as the difference of two squared items or unit or whatever. The questions are that actually provided in Bangla, and these will be translated by you teachers at your school, so you can write items or units whatever the teacher follows in their question, or any other word that they follow, you can write that word. But the average general question and the general solution is same for everything, so I'm giving you a general solution and a hint how to write these assignments. So let's see. At first we'll write that given c is equals to x squared plus 10x plus 16. Then we'll write that x squared and 10x can be broken into 2 into 5x. And from this part we get a hint about the 5. So we write again 5 square because to follow x plus 5 whole square, and then minus 9 because in the question there was given 16, so 5 square is equals to 25 minus 9 if we do then will be 16. Alright, but in the third line you see the 9 can also be written as 3 square, so the entire sentence that is x plus 5 whole square minus 3 whole square. So we can see that c that was given in the question can be expressed as the difference of two square unit and radians. That is proved. Now let's go to the next question. Here it is given that a is equals to x square minus twice x plus 1, and we have to create a square. So at first we'll write what is a, and then we'll do x square, and you know x square minus twice x plus 1 whole square, this can be divided into a plus b whole square by converting x square plus minus twice x as a and 1 as b. So by counting these a and b we can proceed, and finally we see here in one third line at the very beginning we are seeing x square minus twice x whole square. So here we will do again a minus b whole square formula, and you can give the side notes if you wish, but these are very simple so I haven't written them. But if you find important to provide these side notes, you are always welcome, because you know that sometimes teachers are very cautious and they try to cut marks as much as they wish, so you better not give them any chance to do so, something like that. Alright, so whatever we do, finally we get the answer, that is x to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus 6x square minus 4x plus 1, and that's it. So let's proceed to number 4 problem. That is given that if b is equals to 0, then we have to show that x square plus x square plus 1 by x square and x cube plus 1 by x cube, and their value is whether equal or not. We have to show them mathematically. We have to prove them. Or so let's see the solution. At first, from the question that is given b, we have to convert into x plus 1 by x is equals to root 3, that is by dividing both sides with x, you know, and then by again squaring it we can get that x square plus 1 by x square is equals to 1. Students, you're advised to follow every steps that I have written here, so these will be the perfect for getting your marks, so don't try to skip any step. Alright, so finally we are seeing that in case of x cube plus 1 by x cube, that is a formula of a cube plus b cube, that can be written as also a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, and you know here in place of x plus 1 by x we are placing just root 3 because we have already taken that from the very first part, and so we have to provide a side note for this. And finally you see the value is 0, so we are saying that x square plus 1 by x square is equals to 1 whether x cube plus 1 by x cube is equals to 0, so they are not mathematically equal, the value of them are not equal, and that is mathematically proved. Alright, that's all for us today, so thank you for staying with us for a long time. Hope these instructions have been useful for you students, and if you feel so, you can share these videos with your friends and still other Bangla medium friends also, for following our channel. Good luck.